In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to show an alert dialog in JavaFX. So in this project, I already created the scene, which is this one, and at the scene I added a border pane layout to make the application responsive. So I added a grid and 4 buttons, and I set the properties and whatsoever. So at the NetBeans, this is the main class. So at the main class, we loaded the fx main.fxml, this one. So at the stage, I set the minimum height and I set the width, minimum width. So at the controller, before we go to the controller, let's try to run this application to see how it works. So yeah, this is a window, and as you can see, it is responsive. This is the minimum width and height. Yes, this is the minimum height and width. So to see the alert dialog, simply click the buttons. This is the information alert. The information alert is the header text, and this is an information alert, which is the content. So at the warning, this is the warning dialog, and the error, and dialog with custom image. This one, I added an image. This dialog is an untyped dialog, and I added an image and header text, and also the content and the button. So with the controller, this is the information, and I instantiated an alert type information. I set the title to information dialog and set content text. This is an information alert, and the header text information alert. The same as information. The warning is the same as information, and I changed the alert type to warning, and also the alert type to none, and to add the image in the alert type to none. So simply set the graphic, new image view, and load the image file, which is this one, java.png. And to add button, simply get dialog pane that button types and add button type that close, because we are using the close button. And the error, that's it. Let's try to run this again. Alright, I hope you have learned something new in this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you in the next video.